Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं NEET Inorganic Rapid Fire Multiple Choice Questions. In the NEET examination, you can expect physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. In this part of inorganic chemistry, you can expect nearly about 33 to 35% of questions, and we are going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions, which covers most of the things that are included in the chemical bonding and practical chemistry, and also you are going to see various orders in this inorganic chemistry. And most emphasis will be given on the practical inorganic chemistry and also complex compounds. Welcome to one more session. Just give confirmation. Am I audible? You can all see me and hear me. Hi Kandoji Rao. Good afternoon. How are you? So let's start. Before we are going to start this, I just want to emphasize a few things over here. I just want to give some kind of ready, please. Yeah, I am replying you. Mr. Rao, yeah, that's fine. Just give me a thumbs up and fire emoji. We can start the session. So, for the sake of motivation, as we are entering into the close vicinity of NEET examination, and welcome to 2025 sessions, and we had a great marathon of 2024 sessions with Infinity Learn YouTube channel. And what Infinity Learn is doing for the community of the students preparing for NEET examination. I have a slide where 4 students, I just want to give an example where Ashrita, Hemajuti, Akhil Verma and Satyanarayan is given, and 2 scores are being given what they did in 2024 versus what they got in 2024. So 2023 Ashrita got 310 marks and 2024 661 marks. So there is a 351 marks increment. स्कोर ऑलमोस्ट डबल बढ़ गया. सो कैसे? सो ये बच्चों लोग इन्फिनिटी लर्न हिसाब से आप पढ़ाई शुरू किया, and various they enroll in various courses that we offer from Infinity Learn, and they attended the class with us on the YouTube platform and followed our instructions. इसका हिसाब से their score you can see Akhil Verma 313 marks in 2023 and 658 in 2024, and 345 marks is an increased. And also you can see Hemadyuti got 23 में 310 marks just like Ashrita, and 652 marks in NEET 2024, 342 marks increased. And Satyanarayan, he got 330 marks in NEET 2023 and 650 marks in 2024. There is a 320 marks increment. Yes, this big increment, almost more than a double, is from Infinity Learn. And not only these 4 students, hundreds of students secured like this, and I wish you are going to get the score like this because you are with Infinity Learn on YouTube platform. So we request you just please attend the class on regular basis and like our sessions and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So grab your score, grab your medical seat, and you welcome to premium medical colleges. Why not? Okay, let's go ahead with what Infinity Learn with us, and yes, your NEET preparation. And with Infinity Learn we have live classes, mock test, create your own test. अब जो भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ना, और कुछ टॉपिक में और ज़्यादा डाउट है, ये टॉपिक का आप टेस्ट खुद ही डिसाइड कर सकते हो, सो दैट और एक बार असाइनमेंट दे सकता हूँ, एंड आपको मिलेगा 24/7 डाउट रिजोल्यूशंस. एंड वी आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब, एंड यू आर इन यूट्यूब. एंड इन्फिनिटी लर्न नीट टेलीग्राम चैनल, इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इन्फिनिटी लर्न नीट टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक दिया गया. आप एक बार क्लिक करके एक बार ज्वाइन करो, आपको क्या फ़ायदा उठेगा. सो इन दिस इन्फिनिटी लर्न टेलीग्राम चैनल, उसमें डेली क्विजेज है, सेशन का शेड्यूल्स भी है, एंड सेशन का नोट्स भी है, एंड असाइनमेंट्स एंड मेनी मोर. So that why to leave this, and you please join and enjoy all these things for the simply free of cost, a click away. And India's first AI enabled academic driving is given by the Infinity Learn. अरे Infinity Learn, you see आजकल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का हलचल ज़्यादा चल रहा है. So Infinity Learn is the first company which use the AI tools in the edutech platform. And what are the facilities you are going to see? Goal settings. So set your academic goals and skill enhancement goals, and also you are having a awesome lectures by the experienced faculty from the Infinity Learn, and test and paper analysis भी है with in depth performance given by performance का analysis भी दे सकता है AI tools के हिसाब से. And you will be having a very important point, self study, learn, practice and revise. उसमें conceptual videos है and mock test and practice test है. आखिरी बात है फ्लैश कार्ड्स फॉर रिवीजन. अब जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ना, ये तुरंत रिवाइज करने के लिए ये एक चीट शीट चाहिए, चीट शीट इसमें मिलेगा. And also you will be having a doubt resolution 24/7, anytime any doubt, your doubt is going to be simply one click away. So why let just scan your QR code and you just enjoy this journey with Infinity Learn. And also it's very important, India's largest scholarship examination, score examination. This score examination, why it is India's largest scholarship examination? क्योंकि the scholarship worth of 1 crore rupees is there with you. And also never see a gift from a scholarship like Infinity Learn is giving you a study setup and a laptop भी है. And also educational allowances भी है, and also up to 100% of scholarship for the the course that you opt. And in the description box, while later you just click it and enroll, a registration form खुला होगा and you can write this examination. You may be related to Infinity Learn or you may be related to some other school or a college, still you are eligible for writing NEET in a score examination. And all the best, and you can sit at home and you can write this examination, and it is purely online. It is from any grade for any student, and it is for you. And please click the link in the description box and you can enjoy the awesome score examination. At last, before we go for the questionnaire, only one slide is left. Okay, stay with us, and it is NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, and it was 10,000 rupees, and डिस्काउंट करके आपका 4,199 को मिलेगा. कैसे? प्लीज एंटर योर कूपन कोड SR40. उसमें आपको क्या मिलेगा? 27 AITS एग्जामिनेशन, उसमें 13 यूनिट टेस्ट है एंड 4 पार्ट टेस्ट है, 10 ग्रांड टेस्ट बेस्ड ऑन नीट पैटर्न, 20 ऑनलाइन नीट फुल सिलेबस मॉक टेस्ट है, एंड क्लास 11 एंड 12 पूरा सिलेबस टॉपिक वाइज आपको कवर करेगा, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and also 3 physics, chemistry, biology books with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance analysis, and your performance is going to be benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya, so that you will be having a proper prediction of कहाँ है आपका कितना स्कोर मिलेगा and कितना रैंक मिलेगा. सो रैंक प्रेडिक्शन भी कर सकते हैं. And while it you just use your coupon code SR40, तभी आपको 4,199 का आपका डिस्काउंट ऑटोमेटिकली मिलेगा, है ना. सो लेट्स गो इनटू द क्वेश्चन. रेडी? खांडोजी राव रेडी? सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ऑनलाइन एक फायर थम्स अप इमोजी डालो चैट बॉक्स में. हम शुरुआत से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस अभी करेंगे. ओके, रेडी? 3, 2, 1. Everybody get ready with pen and paper and write the concept. A question will be discussed and the answer will be discussed, and the key point behind that every question will be discussed. Get ready for that. Okay. So first question, consider the oxides of group 14 elements like SiO2, GeO2, SnO2, PbO2, CO and GO. the amphoteric oxides in the given list. What are amphoteric oxides? The oxides which has both acidic properties and basic properties are amphoteric oxides. Expecting the answer in the chat box, bacho. And what is the nature of SiO2, GeO2, SnO2, PbO2, Ce, CO carbon monoxide, neutral oxide, GeO, and my answer is going to be for SnO2 and PbO2. So why this is SnO2 and PbO2? And these two are amphoteric. SiO2 is an acidic and GeO2 is acidic, CO is neutral, GeO is basic. So it is connected to NCERT P block elements. So everywhere you are going to have a point. So that model of the question we are discussing with this experience, and no surprise if you get some of the questions in your upcoming 2025 NEET examination. Ready for that? Okay, bachon. And the correct order of bond dissociation enthalpy. So of the halogens are given. कैसे ये आंसर कैसे दे सकते हैं? Actually, bond energy decreases down the group. So what happens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, है ना? So decreases means it is supposed to be greater, greater, greater. But there is an exception. Fluorine being a small atomic size, the lone pair of electrons between these two bonded fluorine atoms are going to have a repulsion among them. Because of the repulsion, this bond energy is exceptionally coming down. So you are going to have chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than, fluorine is greater than iodine. So this is how you are going to have an exceptions in the inorganic chemistry. You tabulate exceptions and you make a cheat sheet and you follow according to that. So my dear students, in the MCQs, whenever MCQ is displayed on the board, I am expecting you to give the answer in the chat box so that हमको भी पता चलेगा आपको कैसे कर रहे हो, how you are doing and how we can help you, right? If you give a different option, I can identify your mistake and I can correct you, right? Anyways, I am going to give the correct answer and you are going to see the answer. Don't by heart that answer, rather learn the concept behind the particular answer. Bacho, so you are with me? Somebody in the chat box, give me a thumbs up and fire emoji in this. Yes, let's go ahead. The number of ions which will be precipitated by H2S in acidic medium among copper 2 plus, nickel 2 plus, manganese 2 plus, Pb2 plus, CO2 plus, Al3 plus, Hg2 plus. Mind it, this is a rapid fire questionnaire. So that in the NEET examination race भी होना चाहिए. Okay, जल्दी जल्दी करना लेकिन precisely करना and it should be accurate. Accuracy मत छोड़ना. ठीक है बेटा? या नाउ उसमें H2S एसिडिक मीडियम में कौन करेगा? पहले ये बताओ, H2S एसिडिक मीडियम में कौन करेगा? ग्रुप 2 कैटायंस कर सकते हैं बेटा. ग्रुप 2 कैटायंस. ग्रुप 2 का मतलब ये पीरियोडिक टेबल ग्रुप के हिसाब से नहीं, इनऑर्गेनिक क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस का हिसाब से. सो उसमें आता है आपका ग्रुप 2 कैटायंस क्या? So that is here copper 2 plus, Pb2 plus, Bi3 plus, Cd2 plus, Hg2 plus. So उसमें copper 2 plus है and Pb2 plus है and Bi3 plus नहीं है, Hg2 plus है. So उसमें सिर्फ 3 cations उसका अंदर आ जाएगा. So my answer is going to be 3 is the correct answer बच्चों. So the way I am doing the answers, you please follow this. So inorganic chemistry का मतलब रेटा मारने वाला सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. So जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है, ओके, ये आइडियोलॉजी का, ये ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस मल्टीपल चॉइस करने का कोशिश करो. अगर कुछ डाउट आना है तो प्लीज पुट इन द चैट बॉक्स. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस with a lot of joy. So never pressurize it. ठीक है बेटा, और एक क्वेश्चन है, अरे स्टेटमेंट, आजकल नीट एग्जामिनेशन में आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन ज्यादा है, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस में रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा आता है. सो एनालिसिस का हिसाब से ये क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट 1 दिया, स्टेटमेंट 2 दिया. सो यू हैव टू एनालाइज इट, रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली and you can see the oxygen copper 2 plus Fe3 plus are weakly attracted by the magnetic field and magnetized in the same direction as magnetic field because they are paramagnetic. Yes, it is true, it is true. Sodium chloride and H2 are weakly magnetized in the opposite direction to the magnetic field because they are diamagnetic. And in the light of the above statements, choose the appropriate answer. Yes, both statements are correct. Both statements are correct. So you just see the depth of these statements and how the question is being prepared. And बच्चों ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ, आपको अच्छा होगा. मैं बच्चों के लिए कुछ भला करने का कोशिश करता हूँ, आप भी अच्छा सोच लो, लिखने का कोशिश करो मेरा साथ. इन्फिनिटी लर्न यूट्यूब यूट्यूब चैनल में आप मेरे के साथ साथ पढ़ाई शुरू करो, अच्छा मार्क मिलेगा, अच्छा मेडिकल कॉलेज में एडमिशन पकड़ेगा. सो ऑल द बेस्ट बच्चों. ओके, खंडोजी राव, यस यू कैन हियर मी राइट बच्चों, who are there in the chat box, you are there in the live, you just say a thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box, come on. And also oxygen copper 2 plus Fe3 plus are paramagnetic while sodium chloride and H2 are diamagnetic. So both statements are correct. इसका रीजनिंग ऐसे है, ठीक है बेटा. And also you will be seeing one more question. Yes, which of the following is order is correct. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नीट में बहुत ही काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Yes, orders in the inorganic chemistry. बच्चों, so NH3, PH3, SH3, SBH3, bond dissociation enthalpy. Yes, bond dissociation enthalpy decreases down the group because atomic size increases, bond length increases, bond energy decreases. And SBI is greater than BI in the boiling point, BI is greater than lead ionization energy, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, electronegativity. So in the Pauling scale, उसमें आंसर क्या होगा? So something it is connected to the group 15 P block elements. P block elements में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स हटा दिया, क्या क्या टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड किया. So मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ? So anything can be asked, बच्चों. These are all related to chemical bonding, periodic table, group 15 connected topics. So general properties of each group is very important. अथर्वा, आदर्श सर का क्लास आज होगा 4 बजे को बेटा. अथर्वा 4 बजे को आज, ठीक है, राइट. ओके, सो अभी ये जो क्लास में है ना, आप पार्टिसिपेट करना अथर्वा, ठीक है. ओके, सो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सो बिस्मथ इज ग्रेटर देन लेड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. इसका लेड इज ग्रेटर देन बिस्मथ एंड यू कैन सी मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑर्डर्स दिया, लेकिन इनकरेक्ट वाले का आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी लेड इज ग्रेटर देन बिस्मथ. ये सही बात है क्योंकि लेड, यस थैंक यू, एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी डाउन द ग्रुप इनर्ट पेयर इफेक्ट is coming because of the poor shielding effect of the f orbital that is involved makes the ionization greater. Wherever exceptions are there, there you are going to get a simple multiple choice question. Atharva, follow us. Okay, and which of the following ion does not give the borax bead test? Answer क्या होगा जल्दी? Which of the following do not give the borax bead test? अरे borax bead test देते हैं colored cations का. You can see what are the things which are color: chromium, green, copper, blue, manganese, pink. Zinc का कुछ color नहीं है, so that answer is going to be D. Got it बेटा? Clear? So borax bead test is given for the colored cations. That is the key point. और एक चीज है, Turnbull's blue is, what is Turnbull's blue? So expecting an answer, बच्चों, you already completed one round of preparation. Okay, if not completed and restart, पहले से शुरू करने का कोशिश करो, or otherwise start at the middle. Okay, once you complete, revise overall. So these are the various strategies आप नीट एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन में इस्तेमाल करो, ठीक है बेटा. सो टर्न्सबल ब्लू आ जाएगा आपको फेरस फेरिसाइनेट. So this is Fe3 FeCN6 twice is called Turnbull blue. Okay, so this is the complex compound and this formula is very important. Tamre and Kandojirao, you please make a note of it. Please make a note of it in every point that I am giving to you guys. And also there is a 4 test tubes, okay, manlo, containing dilute HCl, barium chloride and cadmium chloride, potassium nitrate solution. Which of the following reagent will help in the identification of barium chloride? आप बता सकते हैं. Barium chloride can be precipitated by using what? Both B and C. So B में क्या होगा and C में क्या होगा? So that barium chromate is formed and silver barium nitrate is formed. Here barium chromate yellow precipitate, silver is going to give silver chloride as a white precipitate. Both can be used. And also ammonia gives yellow precipitate with. Ammonia gives yellow precipitate with. It is a bit qualitative analysis oriented questions, and after this we are going to get into the complex compounds and chemical bonding. Mind it, the key point in this inorganic chemistry is most of the questions can be cracked based on your periodic table and chemical bonding. That is the criteria 1. Is blue insoluble compound? When the ferrous ion reacts with potassium ferricyanide, it's known as ferrous ferricyanide and the chemical formula. Outstanding response Atharva, God bless you, did it well, right? And इसका आंसर क्या होगा? आपका आंसर A and C होता है, because sodium, you can see ammonium is reacted with platinum acid, gives rise ammonium platinated is yellow color. Mind it, ये नया concept शायद आपको मिलेगा. So cobalt nitrate hexanitrito cobalt 3 minus react with ammonium is going to get a complex yellow complex. So actually when it comes to the confirmatory test for ammonium, what is the best confirmatory test for ammonium? You all just mention in the chat box. I am going to say the answer. As far as the qualitative analysis is concerned, what is the confirmatory test for ammonium ion? It is a Nessler's test. K2HgI4. When it is reacted with ammonium ion, you are going to give you Radhe Krishna. Hi. Nidhi Pandit. I think you attended my previous classes. Okay. Ram. Okay. Right. So that it is going to give you iodide of Millen's base as an orange coloration. So that is a confirmatory test for ammonium ion. That test is called as Nessler's test. What is Nessler's reagent? K2HgI4. Nidhi Pandit, ready for the next question. So 3 separate samples. Analysis. You see, whenever test tube series are given, analysis. 3 test tube samples of solution of single salt gives this result. What is that? They are tracking what we are understanding level. One formed white precipitate with excess of ammonia solution, G. Okay, one formed white precipitate with dilute NaCl solution, and one formed black precipitate with H2S. So what could be the salt? Silver is going to form silver sulfide black and silver ammonium and silver chloride white, and it is going to be lead, and it is going to give you can see lead nitrate gives rise ammonia, gives rise lead hydroxide white precipitate, lead nitrate NaCl gives rise lead chloride white precipitate, and lead nitrate with H2S, it is going to give lead sulfide black. If it is with silver, na, it is not going to form a precipitate. It is not going to form a precipitate. First test tube is failed. Yes, PbNO3. Super answer. Nidhi Pandit. Very good. So, Atharva, expecting you to give the answer. So, I am going to be more delighted if you participate the discussion with us, right? Okay. So, these questions are rapid fire, I am telling you. I am going to spend 1 minute for one question. You are going to get more than half century questions today. So, आप कितना काम कर सकते हैं? और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है आपके पास. Copper 2 plus silver plus are both present in the same solution. The precipitate that one ion and the leaves of the other ion solution by addition of what? So, सोच के बताओ क्या होगा? Copper 2 plus silver plus कैसे differentiate कर सकते हैं? Copper and silver both are going to react with H2S, gives rise a precipitate. Okay, copper sulfide and silver sulfide. Okay, like that, what is the answer for this? Okay, Nidhi, if you have any answer, please let us know so that I am going to correct you if you have any doubts. And Atharva and Mr. Rao, just expecting you to give the answer. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Okay, इसका आता है HCl. So what is happening? As copper 2 plus and silver plus both present in the same solution, to precipitate one of the ions, leave the other solution, add HCl. So that here AgCl belongs to first group and get precipitated as first by dilute HCl. Then when it is filtrate is warmed up with H2S gas, passed into that precipitated copper sulfide is going to be. So you need HCl for that to separate it out, silver chloride. Yes, it is simply super, it is not HNO3. If you add simply HNO3, HNO3 is going to form both nitrates. Hai na? Are you getting or not, right? So, it is the explanation. You can just see what you expect is different from the actual answer for a given question. It is very important. I can show you from these qualitative analysis, inorganic qualitative analysis, you are going to get one question from this. One question from this, 4 marks is in your pocket. Three major things, qualitative analysis, complex compounds and chemical bonding, 3 major areas where I am framing the questions for today. So, in these 3 areas, you can expect a question from qualitative analysis, you can expect a question from chemical bonding and you can expect a question from coordination compounds. So, there is no doubt at all. So, what is the end product of आज का क्लास का अंत में आपको मिलेगा 3 क्वेश्चंस का कॉन्फिडेंस, 3 क्वेश्चन का कॉन्फिडेंस, 12 मार्क्स. सो 12 नंबर आपका नीट में ऐड करने को तैयार रखो आज, है ना बेटा. एंड consider the following observation. Mn2 plus HCl gives us white precipitate, and this precipitate on heating gives it is water soluble, and it is going to give is react with Na2CrO4 gives yellow precipitate. ये क्या है कैसे? And the metal ion Mn plus will be. So what is the ion that you are going to get? Simple. The concept is simple and the question is complicated. Okay, solubility you have to check it. And I just want to say silver. If you just silver plus, no, it is going to react with silver chloride as a white precipitate on heating gives rise. You can say Pb2 plus. No. Pb2. So say C. It is going to be Pb2 plus. Yeah, Pb2 plus is going to give us PbCl2 hydrate. It is white precipitate. You don't expect it. And on heating gives us Pb chloride. Lead chloride is water soluble and reacted with the chromaton. It is going to lead chromate, which is on the yellow color precipitate. You know this reaction. Mind it, it forms as an hydrated salt. A badi baat hai. Okay. और एक चीज है. So, whenever you prepare for an examination, especially, you will be having an idea about how a topic can be handled, a particular domain can be handled. अच्छा बात है बेटा. And और एक चीज है, and a white crystalline substance dissolved in water on passing H2S. a black precipitate is obtained. And please read the question along with me, Bacho. The black precipitate dissolves completely in hot HNO3. On addition of few drops of concentrated H2SO4, a white precipitate is obtained. This precipitate is that of. You have to understand. Read and apply. Read and apply. Nidhi, Atharva, expecting answer from you guys, huh? Okay, आंसर कुछ बनाने की कोशिश करो बच्चों. ओके, सो आंसर सी होगा अगेन लेड सल्फेट. कैसे आपका तैयार लेड सल्फेट, लेड 2+ जो है ना H2S के साथ लेड सल्फाइड ब्लैक प्रेसिपिटेट मिल गया. एंड दिस ब्लैक प्रेसिपिटेट डिसॉल्व्ड इन HNO3 lead nitrate. So this lead nitrate H2SO4 heated, it is going to get white precipitate, lead sulfate. Wow! I joined Jesus, definitely. We enjoyed Christmas and we're going to experience New Year. Okay, Nidhi Pandit. Okay, that's good. You understand? Very good. H2S in the presence of HCl precipitate second group, but in fourth group. Why not? Because of the common ion effect. Ionic equilibrium plays a role over here. Okay. So, what could be the answer for this question? I have given you the hint. Bacho. Nidhi. Atharva. I have given you the hint about common ion effect. Based on that common ion effect, you just choose the option, Bacho. Okay, fine. So, it is going to be HCl decreases the concentration of H2, S2 minus by common ion effect. Common ion effect, H2S gives rise H plus S2 minus. And HCl gives rise H plus and Cl minus. So, this has a common ion effect. So, as a result of this, equilibrium is going to be shifted in the backward direction, not maybe, it is C. HCl decreases the concentration of S2 minus by a phenomena called common ion effect. What is this common ion effect? No problem here. I want to say that ionization of a weak electrolyte is suppressed by addition of a strong electrolyte which contain one of the common ion effect in it is called as common ion effect. ठीक है? Very good. और कुछ है? Yellow ammonium sulfide solution is suitable reagent for the separation of. निधि आप किया qualitative inorganic chemistry? ओके बच्चों, इसका आता है आपका कैडमियम सल्फाइड एंड आर्सेनस सल्फाइड. क्या होगा? येलो अमोनियम सल्फाइड सॉल्यूशन इज यूज्ड फॉर द सेपरेशन ऑफ ग्रुप 2A एंड 2B कैटायंस. ओके, हाँ, ये सब क्वेश्चंस के लिए इजी ट्रिक होता है. पहला जो रिएक्शंस आता है ना, ये सीक्वेंस आता है. सो कैटायन एनालिसिस कैसे करना, एनायन एनालिसिस कैसे करना, कैटायन में ग्रुप सेपरेशन कैसे करना, पहला ये एक बार रिवाइज करने के बाद आप कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू जस्ट लुक एट द बुक एंड गिव द आंसर अलॉन्ग विथ मी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा सेशन in the next week or other ways with only qualitative analysis, basic qualitative analysis. Fine? तैयार है? आपको कब चाहिए बोलो नीति? आपको कब चाहिए बोलो पहले? उस दिन में आपके लिए सिर्फ आपके लिए मैं रखना तैयार हूं. ओके, एनीवेज, सो आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी डी. So sulfide group 2A are insoluble while sulfide of group 2B are soluble in yellow ammonium sulfide. Okay, आता है. Which case octet rule is not obeyed? Qualitative हो गया, we are entering into chemical bonding now, right beta? Which case octet rule is not obeyed? Answer, titanium 3 plus का, titanium 3 plus का, you just write the electronic configuration, तब आपको पता चलेगा. So octet rule and 8 electrons in the outermost shell, but transition element may, and octet rule is not obeyed. They are having a pseudo octet, pseudo noble gas configuration. ठीक है बेटा? And that is a simple method. A question, just you asked Nidhi, just you asked something, you tell me a trick. So हर क्वेश्चन एक ही ट्रिक का नहीं आता है, अलग अलग ट्रिक्स होता है. जो ट्रिक ये क्वेश्चन में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और दूसरा ट्रिक दूसरा क्वेश्चन के में इस्तेमाल करना. यहाँ पर जो ट्रांसिशन एलिमेंट्स है ना, ये ऑक्टेट नहीं करेगा. दैट इज द ट्रिक ओवर हियर. सो एस ब्लॉक ऑक्टेट हो सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? मोस्ट फेवरेबल कंडीशन फॉर द इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या चीज चाहिए? ओके, सो कैटायन फॉर्मेशन and anion formation चाहिए. So condition for cation formation, large size and small size, and also और एक चीज है, low ionization energy, high electron affinity and less charge on it, and it is also having a less charge on it. अब बताओ, ये की पॉइंट्स है ना. अब की पॉइंट्स पूछ रहे हैं ना, ट्रिक पूछ रहे हैं ना, यही है ट्रिक. सो ए कैटायन एंड एनायन दोनों का फेवरेबल कंडीशन उसमें मैच करके आप आंसर दे सकते हैं. ऑप्शन बताओ निधि, ऑप्शन बताओ. Any student in the live chat, you can just give me the answer so that we can explore the subject. बच्चों, ये अच्छा तरफ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे नीट एग्जामिनेशन में आपको आने का ज़्यादा संभावना है. सो यू शुड फील सो लकी टू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ लेक्चर्स ऑन यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड बच्चों, ये फ़ायदा उठाने का आप कोशिश करो. जल्दी आंसर बताओ. ये ट्रिक का हिसाब से आंसर क्या होगा? ये ट्रिक का आंसर निधि, राइट, फाइन. मिस्टर राव, एंड मेरा आंसर आता है आपका लो आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी एंड हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. लो आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी एंड हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. सो माय आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी ये. गॉट इट? क्लियर? वंडरफुल. एंड और एक चीज है, गिवन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटीज ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट्स, 1.0 x के लिए, y के लिए 2.5, z के लिए 3.0. So I just want to say, pick the type of bond between x, z and yz respectively. If the electronegativity difference, okay, difference in the electronegativity is greater than 1.7, this is ionic bond. If electronegativity difference is less than 1.7, it is a covalent bond. So that is the key point. Nidhi, that is the key point. Okay, this is the trick. ये ट्रिक के हिसाब से आंसर क्या होगा? ये x y x z का अंतर 2.0 आ रहा है, y z का अंतर 0.5 आ रहा है ना? So that you can see the magnitude of the difference. 2.0 ionic and 0.5 it is going to be covalent. So my answer is going to be ionic and it is going to be covalent. So take the trick and use it and you get outstanding answers, right? और एक चीज है, among lithium chloride, rubidium chloride, beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride, the compounds with the greatest and the least ionic character respectively. So I just want to say less charge more ionic and more charge, it is going to be more covalent. एंड यू नो फाजान रूल के हिसाब से आपका कोवलेंट नेचर जो आता है ना, सो साइज ऑफ कैटायन का कोवलेंट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल बाय साइज ऑफ कैटायन. सो व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग कैटायन इनटू द एक्शन, बिकॉज सब क्लोराइड्स है ना, so chlorides are the constant. You have to pick the variables: lithium chloride and rubidium chloride, beryllium chloride and magnesium chloride. उसमें साइज बड़ा है एंड उसमें साइज कम है. more ionic and more covalent. So the appropriate answer for this question is going to be option B, rubidium chloride and beryllium chloride. ये ट्रिक का हिसाब से. ठीक है निधि, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? अगर कुछ डाउट आने तो चैट बॉक्स में डालो सीधा. वेरी गुड. और एक क्वेश्चन है, which of the following statement is false? Which of the following statement is about false? So covalent bonds are directional. Yes, of course. Ionic bonds are non-directional. Yes, of course. A polar bond is formed between two atoms which has the different electronegativity values. Of course, it is correct. Presence of polar bonds in a polyatomic molecule suggests that it's a zero dipole moment. Now, it could be zero or non-zero. ये गलत बात है. So that it could be zero or may not be zero. So the answer is going to be D. This is the wrong statement. एंड फॉल्स का बारे में. सो नेगेटिव सेंस भी पूछ रहा हूं यहां पर. ठीक है बेटा, या ये एंड बी, ये ना 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 ना, इट इज डी ओनली. द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ये सही बात है, बी सही बात है निधि. इट इज आस्किंग अबाउट नेगेटिव सेंस ना. सी द क्वेश्चन, राइट? Yeah. Which of the following species have planar trigonal shape? Correct पढ़ लिया. Very good. Not an issue. You correct yourself, learn from your mistakes, you will understand what is your mistake and where do you stand. इसका आंसर क्या बताओ जल्दी, इसका आंसर क्या बताओ निधि? So SCl2, PCl3, SCl2 bent shape, PCl3 pyramidal shape, and CO32 minus trigonal planar. And BF4 tetrahedral. It is tetrahedral. Answer क्या होगा इसका? See, outstanding answer, perfect. I am going to give you a grace. Okay, answer is going to be C. Perfect. Clear? And और एक क्वेश्चन है, the geometry of AlF63 minus is follows. AlF6 coordination number 8. Okay, it is going to be octahedral. Sorry, here it is going to be 6. It is going to be octahedral. It is going to be octahedral. So the answer for this is going to be octahedral. ठीक है? Clear? That's good. Next question. बच्चों, the structure of ICl2 minus, find out the hybridization, you will understand. ICl2 minus. और एक बात बताओ, 6 बॉन्ड पेयर्स, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट। इसका निधि, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? आपको मान लो जैसे I3 माइनस है ना, इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर आता है it is linear. Similarly, ICl2 minus, iodine, Cl and Cl minus, ठीक है ना? नहीं ट्राइगोनल है, sp3d होगा, sp3d होगा, लीनियर होता है, इट इज ए लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है, इट इज अ लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर। आपका जैसे I3 माइनस क्या, sp3d हाइब्रिडेशन, 2 बॉन्ड पेयर्स, 3 लोन पेयर्स, बॉन्ड पेयर्स 3, बॉन्ड पेयर्स 2, लोन पेयर्स 3, टोटल पेयर्स 5, AB2E3, sp3d hybridization. So we are connected to here chemical bonding, and it is connected to p block halogens, interhalogen compounds, and it is an awesome connectivity with the various questions. We crafted these questions in such a way that you never compromise the quality. So जो बच्चों नीट चैनल, इन्फिनिटी लर्न नीट यूट्यूब चैनल में क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, फालतू नहीं चलेगा। हम ये सेशंस में जो क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, देयर इज़ नो सरप्राइज अगर ये क्वेश्चन सीधा आपका नीट एग्जामिनेशन में दिखाएंगे तो, है ना? दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू टू जस्ट टेक ए पेन एंड पेपर, राइट अलोंग विथ अस, सो दैट यू कैन डू मैक्सिमम ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चंस, राइट? और एक क्वेश्चन है ऑप्शन डी, लीनियर, आप जो बोला है ना आप सही है निधि, और एक है and the formation of which of the following is not possible. अरे आए बताना है पक्का। So never compromise, never compromise. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट्स में ज्यादा नहीं होगा, that is the key point. Boron can form maximum 4 bonds because lack of d orbitals, है ना? So that you can see BF4 is possible. ऐसे this is possible, this is possible, this is not possible. Boron maximum bonds, maximum covalency is 4. Reason, can somebody tell me the reason why? Assertion and reasoning is also important, Nidhi. Absence of d orbitals. The correct answer is due to absence of d orbitals. Right? D is correct. Perfect. And yes, I don't say that your answer is but wrong, it is always right. Good. I am delighted to see your answer. Perfect answer, Nidhi. And which of the following matches is not correct? Take half a minute or a minute to give the answer. Jaldi. ICl2 minus is a linear. We know that it is a linear. ICl and Cl, which is a linear. ठीक है? And ICl4 minus, so that it is ICl4 minus. Iodine, it is Cl and it is Cl and it is a square planar. Yes, it is, because it has a pair of electron, a pair of electron. XeF2, it is a linear molecule. XeF, and it is going to be F. It is a linear molecule. AB2E3, it's a linear molecule. तभी SO42 माइनस क्या होगा? Yes, double bond O, okay, double bond O, and it is O minus, and it is O minus, it's a tetrahedral. It is a tetrahedral, लेकिन इसे ट्राइगोनल प्लानर दिया, ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है. So my answer for this is going to be D again. Exactly, Nidhi. That's very good follow-up. And the atomic number of tin is 50. The shape of the gaseous essential to is. Yes, the shape of gaseous essential to is. आंसर क्या दे सकते हैं? SN carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. They have NS2, NP2. So all have 4 electrons in the outermost shell, right? So tin has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So that SN 1, 2, 3, 4. Chlorine, and it is going to be chlorine. So it is a B2E type. It is a bent shape. So यही सही होगा. One lone pair, 2 bond pairs. अच्छा बात है. Clear? So Nidhi, I answered. It is D. It is going to be D. Your answer is correct, and I am going to approve your answer, right? Next, which of the following statements about repulsion between the bond pairs? VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory. Application of VSEPR theory. SN has 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair around the arrangement of electron pairs in triangular planar. कैसे? 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. It is correct. Yes, it is D only. Yes, your answer is correct. And what about the order over here? What about the order over here? So the electron pairs on the central atom always makes a repulsion among them. And these electron pairs are 2 types, lone pair of electrons and bond pair of electrons. The lone pair of electrons makes a more repulsion. Bond pair of electron relatively less repulsion. So that lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion. So that your answer is going to be lone pair repulsion on lone pair is greater than lone pair repulsion and bond pair is greater than bond pair repulsion and bond pair. ठीक है? And one more question. Which of the following does not have a linear structure? Wow. You want to say yeah? अभी तो आप बोला ना SN is a bent shape. अभी तो ये बोला ना आपका आंसर से, right? So that not a linear. So SnCl2, CS2C double bond. Yes. Yes. Okay. Bent molecule. हाँ. and your answer is going to be B for this question. ठीक है. One more question. If the bonded molecule MX3 is the T-shape, the number of non-bonding pairs of electrons is? How do you say? Bend molecule. Can you say a T-shape molecule? An example of T-shape molecule. Sir, आपका knowledge के हिसाब से. So we are connected to the NCERT even. In the NCERT T-shape molecule का P block में दिया group 17 में. And it is going to be ClF3 मान लो, Cl F and F, and it is going to have two lone pairs. Lone pairs are 3, 2, and bond pairs are 3. It is going to be sp3d hybridization, T-shape. So it is going to be T-shape. है ना बेटा? Perfect. So it is going to be 2 lone pairs. My answer is here. Whatever Nidhi said is correct. Geometry is possible. T-shape geometry is possible. Perfect. That's what you are interacting. Today I delighted with Nidhi Pandit, and she is interacting with the teacher in the YouTube platform is so nice. And every student, I recommend every student to do like that. Okay. So next, which of the following do not show paramagnetism? Paramagnetism. एक ट्रिक क्या होगा पैरामैग्नेटिक बोलने के लिए? ये बोलने के लिए आपका आता है ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए, इसका एटॉमिक और मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर जो भी होगा. सो आपका आएगा डी Na2O. कैसे? सो डू नॉट शो पैरामैग्नेटिज्म. सो यू हैव Na2O, O2 minus, KO2 minus, NO odd electron, and NO2 it is also odd electron. So N double bond O and O, so odd electron. It dimerizes, na? So it is asked why. It is asked Nidhi, one thing you need to correct yourself, that it is नेगेटिव सेंस में पूछा गया. नॉट शो. NO2 is a brown red color gas and it is paramagnet and dimerizes. It is dimerizes. So that NO2 gives rise N2O4. Okay, cool temperature में, ये hot temperature में होगा. Okay, and at last I just want to show some questions. Which of the following molecules do not have lone pairs of the electrons? It's a wonderful question. हर स्ट्रक्चर में अच्छा कमांड होना चाहिए. OF2 H2O के जैसे, ऑक्सीजन. Okay, 2 lone pairs of electrons on it, and fluorine and fluorine. OF2 का स्ट्रक्चर 2 lone pairs. हाँ, क्वेश्चन अच्छे से नहीं देखा, and we cannot deceive ourselves, ना. Mind it, Nidhi, you are a sincere student doing so good and nice following, and you have a very good knowledge and application levels are also very good. बट व्हेन यू रीड द क्वेश्चन इतना जल्दी मत करना. सो अच्छा तरफ सीखना. ठीक है बेटा? दैट इज द मिस्टेक यू आर डूइंग. यू कम आउट ऑफ द मिस्टेक. स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट ओनली निधि and all the students who are preparing for NEET examination from Infinity Learn channel, I am going to tell you, read the question properly. This is the crystal clear example how the student is going to give the wrong answer, so that you'll have to pay a lot. है ना? You please correct yourself. बच्चों लोग अच्छा तरफ question padhai karo so that you analyze it and you give the correct answer. Okay, all the best for NEET examination. आपका ClF3 का structure क्या होगा? Cl and F, and it is F and it is F2 lone pairs of electron फिर भी इसका अंदर, ठीक है. And you have XeF4, so it is a square planar structure, xenon. Okay, इसका दो लोन पेयर है इसका पास, एंड फ्लोरीन इट्स अ स्क्वायर प्लानर कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो हर स्ट्रक्चर का आपके इतना कमांड होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में भी 5 क्वेश्चंस अराइज रॉन्ग के लिए अच्छा से ना पढ़ाने. ओके, सो आई टोल्ड यू योर मिस्टेक ना. आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हैं, मैं पकड़ लिया है ना. हर दिन Monday also I am going to conduct a session. You join with us, you will understand what is that. Okay, SF4 sulfur hexafluoride, octahedral. It is octahedral. So ये octahedral के हिसाब के स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा होगा. बस इसके पास कुछ लोन पेयर नहीं है. सो फील दिस इज अ ट्यूशन क्लास और कोचिंग क्लास और राइजिंग क्लास. ओके, सो टुडे वी डिस्कस्ड almost more than 50 questions, right, from qualitative analysis, P block and chemical bonding, और कुछ बचा है. Okay, so time is our constraint. So hope you enjoyed today's session. Nidhi, you enjoyed today's session? And every day a short note and a short videos I am releasing on important corner topics and important NEET sure shot questions पकड़ने का concepts. ठीक है. So every day you just join with us in Infinity Learn YouTube channel by 1:30. Enjoy the chemistry classes with Dr. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry, and you please like our session and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed class. So we'll meet with more stuff. Thank you. Bye. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Learn. Thank you.